Hi everybody, it is JJ Long from JJArtworks. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy out there. This is painting number 3 out of day 30 for the daily painting challenge. I'm super excited about this. As always, our paintings come in a stylish gift box, and it comes with a quick little thank you card with a coupon for our website. And it comes wrapped in some cellophane right here. And here is the painting. I'm super excited about this one, you guys. This is called Castle Twilight number 2. Comes with gallery painted edges on the sides. Comes with my signature on the side panel. And then on the back, it has my full signature with an inventory number and other information like the title of the painting, the size of the painting, that's an original painting, and that's acrylic on canvas. I'm super excited about this one. The original Castle Twilight painting was actually a much larger painting. It was like 16 by 20 inches, but I wanted to go with the same theme of that original painting with the smaller format. So I'm really excited about the stairs kind of going up. It reminds me of Lord of the Rings, and I just love painting castles in general. This little guy right here reminds me of like a star in Super Mario Brothers. So I thought it was just kind of fun to include that in the painting. But anyways, let me know if you like it. If you're interested in purchasing the painting, all these daily paintings are for sale. Just comment "sold" below on YouTube, and the first person to do that will own the painting, and I'll send you a payment link privately where you can purchase the painting once you comment "sold." So thank you all so much for tuning in. Truly appreciate it. I'm having a ton of fun with this challenge, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in another video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.